Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix payment not completed error while you want to purchase app or purchase movie or purchase game. Then you're facing the error like, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have enough balance. Okay guys, if you don't have enough balance and want to purchase app or movie from app store, then you can't do that. Okay guys, and the second thing is guys, your information is correct. So for that you have to open your Apple ID. Just simply have to go to media and purchases, just simply tap on view account and wait some second from here guys. So as you can see guys, from here you have to tap on manage payment option, and from here you have to make sure that your debit or credit card expiry date is not over. If this isn't the case guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on your information that you have your correct information here. So guys, if this isn't the case, then it means you have any unpaid subscription there, so you have to pay it or remove for that. And after that, just simply have to go to country origin, just simply have to wait some second from here guys, and then tap on change country origin. Then you have to select your country from here. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on agree if you are agree. So here are the terms and conditions. So again, tap on agree. Now from here guys, you have to put your payment method, select your payment method and select the required information. So you have to put the required information here, and after that you have to tap on next, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.